Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of calls not responding on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. Then you will search about the application of Telegram. Here you can install your app and you can install the game, so please don't